In 10 years, 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 in 10 years,
In 10 years, I will be.
in 10 years, 10 years,
In 10 years,
in 10 years.
10 years.
In 10 years, aku jadi jaksa terkenal terbaik In 10 years, I will be traveling around the world with my besties. In 10 years, di 28 tahun, aku udah nikah. Mau nikah aja lah anjing. In 10 years, I will be a good dentist, a good mom, a good daughter, I guess. In 10 years, I will be a successful woman, and then I will be a good mother, and I will work in fashion industry. In 10 years, I will be the best mom ever in the world, and I marry a gentleman and be a successful couple. In 10 years, aku akan menjadi businesswoman yang sangat besar. In 10 years, gue bakal sering ke pedok F1. In 10 years, gue bakal jadi pengusaha sukses dan punya anak 5. In 10 years, I'm going to be successful and the happiest person alive. In 10 years, I will be artis. Artis.
10 years, gua mau jadi pilot, gua mau jadi masinis.
In 10 years, I will be rich kid.
Gua mau ya jadi orang baik aja dah.
Okay. In 10 years, I will be on a Mercedes Benz.
I will be banyak duit.
In 10 years, aku and I will be a dentist. I will be a very famous artist.
In 10 years, I will be a successful. Punya bisnis sendiri. I will be a millionaire and famous musician. And membahagiakan my babe and my bunda.
Ya, oke. In 10 years, gue bakal menjadi spesialis K3. Amin. In 10 years, gue bakal jadi orang kaya raya, arsitektur, apapun itu yang penting gue kaya raya. Amin. In 10 years, I'll be Miss Indonesia and Miss International sampai gue kaya raya banget dan keliling dunia. Amin.
In 10 years, I will be have a company and I will be the boss. In 10 years, I will be a doctor.
Yeah.
Asik, asik, asik.
Orang Mochi dan aku punya toko besar di cabangnya dari mana aja di seluruh Indonesia dan di New York.
In 10 years, I will be. Gua bakal jadi pengusaha sukses dan gua bisa banggain orang tua gua. Gua sama kayak dia, karena dia temen.
In 10 years gue jadi orang kaya, terus gue sukses, terus jadi presiden. In 10 years semoga gue living in New York, successful architect atau enggak civil engineer. Gue udah capai 1 T. Amin ya Rabbi.
In 10 years, I will be. Gua bakal jadi engineer juga di pertambangan. In 10 years, semoga gue bisa menggapai semua cita-cita gue dan menggapai semua yang gue mau. Amin.
In 10 years, I will be a diplomat. I probably will be an OS.
In 10 years, semoga gue bakal jadi pemain tenis profesional. 10 years, semoga gue punya pengusaha jadi pengusaha batubara.
Mobil, in 10 years bos semoga jadi engineer.
10 years, semoga gue jadi sepak bola.
Ya.